Hey, good video. So today, I'm sorry about it because I didn't upload video in a few days because yeah, I know I don't have time and also I'm not allowed to play video games these days, but I'm not allowed to now. So lucky me. We are in the moon level. Wait, let me go back. Go back to the lobby. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. Go back to our normal dimension. So, oh, what? Okay, guys, you know what? Today we're gonna just try on the moon dimension because I never gone on moon before. Okay, go so slow. Come on. Let's just keep on buying stuff. Okay, checkpoint. Boom. It's really fun, I have to say. No. Are you kidding me? Like, totally. Okay, fine, whatever. Let's go to the factory. Oh, guys, I am out. But we gotta. Oh my body was just shaking it. Today. Oh, I forgot to say what we're playing today. So today we are playing. Oh, finally. So today we are playing. Speed run. Yeah, you know, in my opinion, it's supposed to be speed parkour because like all of them is about parkour. Yeah, I'm really scared. Oh, good thing. Come on, go. I am scared for. Are you serious, ghost? But guys, sadly, I need to beat this level, but it's time to go back to normal. Run faster. Do you know you could double jump? I hold it like twice. God. Oops. What just happened to me? God. Boom. As you guys know, I'm really good. Yeah, I'm not really good at parkour, guys. My booty shaking. I don't know why I'm so long. Like, there's barely no one now. I think they're all in the next level now. Are you serious? I can't cross this level? Oh, whoa! This is like, oh my gosh. Let's just try that again. Boom, 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 and go. Ready? I'm ready to fly. Oh, fly! Yes, fly! No. Jump. Oh, it's pretty easy right now, huh? Okay, good thing. Okay, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Jump over, and then boom. Okay, so this was pretty hard, and then Okay, so guys, we're back in normal. Jump. Oh, that's a little trickier, guys. My head. Oh, hi, buddy. I'm so happy that you were here, my buddy. So we could like chat together and stuff. Run. Okay, so I need to stop because I'm scared for I'm gonna fail. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fail. Oh, just far jump. Oh, yes, I make it. How dare I need to stop right there. Like, I'm ready to play like 44 seconds. Of course. Jump. Stop. Jump. Go up here. Jump. This called speed run. Pretty easier. Okay, guys, stop. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Jump! No, jump! Next level. Speed run. Okay, guys. So, hello, dude. I'm really happy to see you here. Oh my gosh! So, guys, perfect. We're just standing here, That boy, you need to train yourself. Kaylin, you need to train yourself. You're doing pretty good right now. Oh gosh, I'm racing. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Are you mad? Okay, he fell off. Wait. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm not gonna talk right now because I think I'm gonna lose when I talk. Try to concentrate. Good job, King. You did a really good job, right? Okay, not so good. I am okay. Guys, concentrate. That is the point of doing parkour. I'm gonna try to take the shortcut to. Okay, I don't think this works. The shortcut I'm talking about, like that dude already beat me. Oh, I could just like fly back. We got the gravity oil down, but we didn't. So, yep. Oh, I'm so close. I'm just so close. Well, this map is pretty fun map to play with. So, hi. I tried to beat this level. So I'm kind of going to stop right here and then jump. Oh, scary. Oh, scary. That dude, I need to concentrate. Okay, haha, bye. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pause it because Future is going off with the facility. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back in Feed the Facility. As you can see, this is Everlasting Future. Hi, Future. Hi. Okay, so let's vote for the next map. So next map, what do you want to vote? This is a donate prison. Okay, Future, let's come over here. Come over here. Don't do particle. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna try to do the glitch. Just like I learned. Go in the cave. Future, go in the cave. Go in the cave. It's so magical. No, let me up. Let me up. Help me. Future, go in the cave. I go in the cave. I'm in the cave. No, oh my gosh. Future, you're in the cave. Okay, help me. Help me. I'm trying to get up. Oh, hey, come on. Let me go. Okay, I can't do the glitch. Let's go. Let's just go up. And we're gonna play in a proper way. Okay, I'm going to another cave. Oh, it's the trade station. Oh, we're gonna go to level 3. Ooh, we're gonna go in this waterfall. Where are you, Future? Are you still in a cave? Are you? How many times do you left? Oh, I just left. Oh, 8 minutes. It's too long. Come on. Oh wait. Oh, 8 minutes left. Good job, guys. Okay, you guys escaped. Good job. So I know it's like a little bit weird letter because it changes another form. Okay, I'm doing the parkour. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be the parkour master. And jump. Hello. Oh, this girl. Okay. Do you guys want to spectate? You know what? I don't want to spectate. What happened? Oh no, this girl. No, Joyce. Joyce, leave her alone. She's just trying to escape. Leave her alone. I like it. I like your new hammer, Joyce. I like it. Be careful. Yes, good job. No. Run. Run, yes. Run, people. No. What happened? Oh, you need to run. Uh-oh. Haha, you can't get in there. Oh, uh-oh. This person is really smart, I have to say. So future, if I was being the beast, can you make it easier for me, because I don't know. Like, I was being the beast like for girl, come on, open it up, open it up, escape, go, girl, dude, what are you doing? She's gonna come get you any minute. Where's another exit? Oh, she's going to the next. Oh, dude, run! I told you to run. Oh. Bye. Just end me up. I don't know. Okay, guys. So, they have a little. Where are you? Wait, let's play hide and seek. Hello. What happened to you? Oh, are you like looking up? Hey, you know what, guys? Just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. Okay, guys. So we end up here cause we broke. So future lost the internet, lost the connection. So we okay. More things. Oh, what is this? Oh. Okay, that's a really hard game. I'm ready. Let's go to zigzags. I gotta jump. Why do you guys do that? Go to another one. Come on, dude, get out. No, get me. No. Hey, come on. Are you serious? Oh, okay. I like teaching. I like to know. It's like you're a great teacher. What's going on? Guidance is something you apply for, so it's not like. No, I'm so close. Oh gosh. Okay, just don't step on any of those, and be careful. Be really careful. Almost there, and done. Guys, do you know why I went so successfully? Because my laughing pair was helping me. Oh, hi. Okay, so yes. So happy. I win, guys. Yep, I win. Okay, guys, so if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button down below and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye.